take care of you. Flossing is your body too. It reaches in between. Cleans the bits your brush can't touch and keeps your smile clean. Visit the dentist twice a year. Don't be scared, just go. They'll check your teeth and cheer you on for keeping them in glow. Brush, brush, brush your teeth, morning, noon, or night. Healthy teeth and happy smiles, shining pure and white.